Welcome. This video is an analysis of Scholastic's Weather Watch WebQuest by Rebecca Bailey and Karen Moran. To begin, we would like to point out that the WebQuest is designed for American students. Nevertheless, as we explore the WebQuest, you will notice the content can be easily aligned with the New South Wales K-6 Science and Technology syllabus. However, there are features that would require adjustment to suit Australian students' background knowledge and learning outcomes. For detailed information about the WebQuest in relation to the syllabus content and the quality teaching framework, please pause this video and read through the slides on the left of the screen.
The WebQuest is a suitable resource for use with the K-6 Science and Technology unit of work called What's the Weather for Stage 3 students. Additionally, the WebQuest also provides links to other curriculum KLAs such as English, Maths and HSIE.
The homepage layout is interesting and visually appealing, but lacks direction for students and teachers. It is not immediately clear where the students need to begin their work. The teacher's notes are located at the bottom of the page in an area that at first glance appears to be an advertising space. This is not ideal for busy teachers or students who may need guidance and clear instruction for learning.
The WebQuest first page is located under the Observe heading. Students begin their learning adventure by relating factual and background knowledge about clouds. The student's background knowledge is activated by the descriptions of clouds using references to food and buildings. There are 3 obvious steps to this activity. Each incorporates lower order thinking skills.
The next step in the WebQuest is gathering data. Here the students are introduced to a variety of hands-on experiences catering for a range of learning styles, especially kinesthetics. Students are given a choice of variety of tools to make. These activities incorporate English, Maths and Science to assist students in making connections with background knowledge. The weather tools are designed to measure real climate conditions, therefore providing experiences to build knowledge based on real-life connections.
The investigation section of the WebQuest reveals 2 activities catering for visual kinesthetic and logical learning styles. The Weather Detective provides students with 3 case studies to extend learning through problem solving and use of some higher order thinking skills. The case studies are a great resource for American students to make real-world connections. For Australian students, teachers would need to ensure students had researched USA weather and geographical content or replace the regions with places familiar to Australian students. These case studies also provide a link to the HSIE syllabus. The Weather Maker is a fantastic tool for students to learn about connections between temperature and humidity and how these affect weather conditions. This is an interactive activity that meets visual learners' needs in a creative and entertaining manner. Students are able to make real-world connections via the weather conditions created by the tool.
The analysis section of the WebQuest has 4 activities for students to choose from. Each one involves a different type of weather system for analysis. Students are required to enter data into the spaces provided. A weather forecast is then automatically generated. These activities are based and require no genuine analysis, problem solving or higher thinking skills. These activities could be extended to include an in-depth analysis based on the skills students learn throughout the WebQuest. Finally, this activity would be challenging for Australian students unless information about the USA were provided to assist in answering questions or replacing USA maps with Australian maps and data.
There is a research link at the right side of the page. This link has fantastic information for further research and investigation with a variety of different weather conditions and natural disasters to explore. The information found here is very interesting and useful. This area is actually one of the best resources of the entire WebQuest. However, due to a lack of directions for students on the home page of the WebQuest, this link is easily overlooked and probably widely unused.
Overall, a WebQuest provides a strong base for learning and investigation of exploration. However, there is room for improvement and additional exercises are needed to extend the children's higher thinking order skills in this particular example.